Hello everyone. Today I, Arush Chaudhary from class 7A is going to give you a presentation on Kerala. So let's begin. Topics in this presentation are Introduction to Kerala, Cultures of Kerala, Festivals of Kerala, Tourism, Some Facts about Kerala, Cuisine of Kerala, Wildlife in Kerala, Onam, Similarities between Himachal Pradesh and Kerala, My experience in Kerala. So let's begin. Introduction to Kerala. Location. Kerala is situated in the southwestern tip of Indian peninsula. It is flanked by Arabian Sea on the west, Karnataka on the north and northeast, Tamil Nadu on the east. Malabar coast is the site of Kerala location, with the western Ghats running along its length. Climate of Kerala. Kerala's average maximum daily temperature is around 37 degrees Celsius. The minimum is 19.8 degrees Celsius. Capital of Kerala, Thiruvananthapuram. Foundation of Kerala. Kerala was founded on 1 November 1956. Chief Minister of Kerala, Pinarayi Vijayan. Governor, Arif Muhammad Khan. Nicknames of Kerala: Land of Coconut, Spice Garden of India, Land of Coconuts, and God's Own Country. Local language, Malayalam. Official language, English. Cultures of Kerala. People of Kerala are natives of Kerala, hence called Keralites. They are a heterogeneous group of people who are distinctive cultural and religious tradition. Keralites are simple people and are happy and content with their life. They are very protective about their religion and ancient practices and rituals and are proud of their culture. They will do everything possible to protect it. Tourism. Kerala's backwaters, beaches, lakes, mountain ranges, waterfalls, ancient port, palaces, religious institutions, and wildlife sanctuaries are major attraction for both domestic and international tourists. Some must-visit places in Kerala are Munnar, Wayanad, Kottayam, Alpai Zaha, etc. Cuisine. Known for its aromatic spices, Keralites are fond of adding their spices to their mouth-watering dishes. Their complete meal include all sorts of colored tastes such as sour, spicy, sweet, tangy, etc. Here's what their complete cuisine looks like. So this is Sadaya and this is served during Onam festival. Sadaya includes dishes such as Kotu curry, Paripu curry, Olan, Kalan, cabbage thoran, Varthuracha sambar, Kerala sambar, Avial, Yulli thera, pumpkin erasi, Korka stir fry, beetroot thoran, raw banana stir fry, ashgard thoran, mango pickle, naranga achar, cucumber pachdi, banana appam, whole wheat appam, uni appam, banana chips, and Swedish payasam. These are some dishes. This is payasam, sweet dish, dosa with sambar and chutney, kadla curry. Wildlife in Kerala. There are a number of popular wildlife sanctuaries in Kerala, housing exotic and rare species of flora and fauna. Nestled in the elaborate forests of majestic Western Ghats or Sadhyari ranges in Kerala are 14 wildlife sanctuaries and 2 tiger reserves. Kerala also has 6 national parks containing protected and endangered species like Indian sloth bear, tiger-tailed macaw, Indian bison, Bengal tiger, Nigeria tiger, etc. Onam. Onam is a harvest festival commemorates the annual visit of mythical king Mahabali, who is considered to have ruled ancient Kerala. Keralites consider their state to have experienced its golden age during his rule. Without class, caste, or religious divides, a prosper agrarian culture, and almost no poverty, Mahabali's kingdom signifies Kerala at its best. The decorations, festives, and indulgences are the state's residents' way of showing their prosperity and happiness to their celebrated king. Keralites make the carpet of flower, which is also known as Pukalam, and lay in front of their houses to welcome King Mahabali. People also serve sadhya. This is a picture of King Mahabali. Facts about Kerala. Kerala is said to be the cleanest state of India along with Sikkim, the only state to have hospitals and banks in every village. Kerala has highest female to male ratio. Kerala is the most literate state in India with a literacy rate of 93.91%. The only state with highest number of festivals being celebrated. It has least infant mortality rate. Similarities between Himachal Pradesh and Kerala. Himachal Pradesh. Geographical location of Himachal Pradesh. Hilly area with lots of greenery. Kerala. It has a similar geographical location to Himachal Pradesh. Himachal Pradesh. Himachal Pradesh holds the record of being the least corrupted state. Kerala. It is second in terms of least corrupted state after Himachal Pradesh. Himachal Pradesh. Main source of income is tourism. Kerala. In Kerala also the main source of income is tourism. Now I am going to tell you my experience in Kerala. Before I had come to this school, I had visited Kerala every year and it was awesome. I had visited Guruvayur temple which is dedicated to God Guruvayurappan. Here it's compulsory for men and boys to wear dhoti and women and girls to wear sari along with or dhoti set. I had also attended a marriage in Kerala. I had also visited Alpai Zaha, a beach, and me and my family watched sun setting down, and the view was phenomenal. I had visited Atharapilli. It is a waterfall in Kerala, and we enjoyed there a lot. Every year I had attended Onam festival in Karnataka. There, the Keralites celebrate Onam and serve everyone sadaya. And the sadaya was delicious. Now this is the end of my slide. I would thank you all for watching. Thank you.